Hello, greetings. I hope you are very well and your pet too. In this video we will talk about the following: anemia in dogs, symptoms, causes and treatment. Let's start. First of all, what is anemia in dogs? If your dog has anemia, it could indicate that your pet has a disease or condition that causes anemia. Anemia occurs when your pet's body doesn't make enough hemoglobin or red blood cells, or when your dog suffers from severe blood loss as a result of conditions like stomach ulcers or cancer. A serious injury or accident can also cause anemia. 1. What are the different types of anemia? Anemia from loss of blood. If your dog suffers from severe blood loss due to a bleeding disorder, injury, or surgery, this can lead to blood loss anemia. Internal bleeding due to parasites, cancer, ulcers, or other health conditions can also be the culprit. Aplastic or non-regenerative anemia. Dogs can develop aplastic or non-regenerative anemia as a result of insufficient red blood cell production. Bone marrow disease, kidney disease, exposure to toxins, parvovirus, chemotherapy drugs, and other medications can also cause this form of anemia. Methemoglobinemia. In dogs, certain genetic disorders can cause excess methemoglobin in the blood and lead to methemoglobinemia. This condition could also be due to exposure to toxins, including some medications intended exclusively for human use, such as benzocaine, acetaminophen, or ibuprofen. Hemolytic anemia. The breakdown or destruction of red blood cells in your dog's body can lead to hemolytic anemia. This form of anemia is often the result of hemolytic anemia or the non-immune form of the condition, caused by toxins, parasites, low phosphorus levels, or inherited disease. 2. What are the symptoms of anemia in dogs? If your dog is suffering from anemia, you may notice one or more symptoms, which will vary depending on the underlying cause of your dog's condition, and they are: pale gums, eyes, or ears; weakness or lethargy; rapid pulse or rapid breathing; swelling of the jaw or face; vomiting; loss of appetite; weight loss. 3. What causes anemia in dogs? Numerous conditions can cause your dog to develop anemia. Some of the most common causes of anemia in dogs are: chronic diseases that inhibit the production of red blood cells; Cushing's disease; infectious diseases, including canine distemper; bleeding from the intestines; medicines that interfere with the production of red blood cells; serious blood loss due to injury or accident; blood loss caused by parasites; poisons or toxins; cancer; tick-borne diseases such as Lyme disease; pure nutrition; bone marrow disease; nephropathy; hypothyroidism. 4. How is anemia treated in dogs? If your dog is diagnosed with anemia, your vet will recommend treatment based on the cause of the condition. Some treatments that your vet recommends could be: 4 fluids, antiparasitic drugs, gastrointestinal medication, chemotherapy, surgery, change in existing medications, antibiotics or immunosuppressive drugs, blood transfusion, bone marrow transfusion, potassium phosphate supplements. Depending on the availability of an effective treatment for the disease causing the anemia, the prognosis for dogs with anemia may vary. Unfortunately, anemia can be an indication of a very serious or fatal condition, such as an autoimmune condition, poisoning, or cancer. If your pet shows signs of anemia, contact your vet as soon as possible to schedule an exam. 5. Can you prevent your dog from developing anemia? Whenever possible, take steps to prevent the conditions that cause it. Keep substances that are toxic to dogs, such as human food and medicine, away from your curious pup and feed him a healthy diet. These actions can help prevent your dog from developing anemia. Protect your dog from worms, fleas, and ticks with year-round parasite prevention medications. If you have a breed of dog that is susceptible to developing anemia, Shih Tzus, Labrador Retrievers, American Cocker Spaniels, and miniature Schnauzers, regularly scheduled wellness exams every 6 months at your vet can help detect the first signs of anemia, so your dog can receive a diagnosis and treatment before the problem worsens. Develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below right now and start your journey to having an amazing, obedient, highly intelligent dog today. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.